Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. So fellas, guess what? Today we're going to solve organic chemistry problem finally, okay? So we're gonna continue solving chemistry related problems. We're gonna solve question solutions regularly by this meantime. So let's get started. So today's topic is how the performance of fuel can be improved. Okay, so what we will do in this video tutorial, well, we will solve a question involving the importance and uses of cracking and reforming. Okay, so what things we would learn from this video tutorial? We will learn some of the basic concepts that are involved with these problems. Okay, so we're gonna learn some of the basic concepts by solving this question. Okay, so the summary of this video tutorial, here is the summary of this video tutorial. Let's see. Here we will learn to solve an advanced problem, use the basic concepts regarding this question, apply the concept over this question. Okay. So here is the study question. Let's see what is the study question for today. So this is the study question. A propellant for a rocket consists of a fuel, kerosene, and an oxidizer liquid, oxygen. The formulae of some hydrocarbons present in kerosene are shown in the table below. Okay, so these are the question. So they have given us the choice. So let us look at it later on. So let's see the question that is for today. So this is the today's question that we are going to solve in this video. Okay, so here is the question. Suggest how engine performance is improved by using a fuel containing the molecule that you have obtained in B2. Okay, so let's solve this question. Okay, a propellant for let's read the question at first. A propellant of for a rocket consists of a fuel, kerosene, and an oxidizer liquid, oxygen. The formulae of some hydrocarbons present in kerosene are shown in the table below. Okay, we're gonna look at the question C at first, then we're gonna look at the other parts of the question later on. So let's concentrate on the C. Let's concentrate on question C. Okay, so here is the question. Suggest how engine performance is improved by using a fuel containing the molecule that you have identified in B2. Okay, so at first let us understand this question. So let us see what does this question ask. So they have asked the reason behind the reason the reason behind the engine the reason behind the improvement of engine performance. Okay, that we have choose the molecule in B2. Okay, so this is what they have asked in this question. So they have asked about the reason for the improvement of, and they have asked about the reason how engine performance is improved. Okay, that you have identified in B2. Okay? So at first let us know the answer for B2. So the answer for B2 is D or C. Okay, so we have discussed about the solution of question B2. in the previous lesson. So I will provide the previous lesson at the end of this video tutorial. Okay, so be there with me. So okay, so let us find out. At first, let us know the basic concepts behind the. Let us find the basic concepts behind this question. Okay, let us now discuss the basic concept behind this question. So the basic concept are fuel like methane, fuel like methane, from methane to octane. Okay, burns smoothly or easily or smoothly. The reason behind this is they have small change. Small change. The reason behind this is they have small change. So why methane, ethane, propane, butane, then pentane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane burns so smoothly or easily? That's because they have the smallest change beside the other molecules, other straight chain molecules. Okay, so from here, octane is a great fuel. Okay, so let's see why. So here is the other possible reason, that is probability of combustion. Probability of combustion depends on its carbon is to hydrogen ratio. Okay, so the probability of combustion depends on its carbon is to hydrogen ratio. So the smaller the ratio, the higher the uh, the fuel will burn smoothly. Okay, and it also depends on reforming the structure. Mm, what I meant by the reforming the structure is modifying or forming chains, short chains, and branches, forming branches, modifying by forming branches or rings in the molecules. That is what I meant by reforming the structure by forming branches or rings or short chains. Okay, So we have find the reason behind this. So now let us discuss the possible answer for this question. Okay, now let us discuss the possible answer for this question. The possible answer might be promoting efficient combustion. So efficient combustion, how we can promote in efficient combustion? By forming small or short chain, then allowing smoother burning. Okay, we have discussed how we can allow smoother burning. Increasing octane number, why our target is to form greater octane number in the fuel? Because octane is a great fuel. Okay, so it has the great fuel. So octane is a great fuel. Thumbs up for octane number. So the other possible answer is reduces knocking, prevents knocking. So knocking means smooth 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 motion of piston. So knocking, reducing knocking or prevents knocking. The other meaning for reducing knocking or prevent knocking is making the motion of piston smoother. Okay, so the more smooth the piston moves, more efficient the engine becomes. Okay, the more smoother the piston moves, the more efficient the engine is. Okay, so here is the other possible reason: pre-ignition being less likely to occur, being more efficient fuels. So we have more efficient fuels at short chain carbons. Okay, better burning fuels easier to burn. So it is the same reason for this. Pre-ignition is less likely to occur. That's because that it won't bypass the reaction with nitrogen to form nitrogen oxide. If greater number of nitrogen oxide is formed, so the combustion wouldn't be efficient, combusting more easily. So this is the other result for short chain carbons, using short chain carbons. Okay, improving combustion, complete combustion. So hence we have improving combustion or complete combustion, or we can say burns cleanly. So it will burn cleanly, or in other words we can say that engine can breathe easily. Okay, so if the combustion is clean, neat and clean, so the engine can breathe easily. So these are the possible answer for that question. Okay, so you may write any one of the following answers. So any one of these may be correct, but here is one thing: you may not write these things, that any references to energy density, boiling temperature, or volatility. So the your answer won't gain any credit if you write these things. ignore any references to energy density, boiling temperature, volatility. That's because they have negligible effect on combustion. Well, let us get back to the question. So let us write the answer. So above all, the answer would be, if we summarize all the points that we have discussed earlier, so the answer, if we sum up those points and answers, then we will get this answer for smoother combustion of fuel. So therefore, the only reason we are using the reforming, we are using this process, that's because of smoother combustion of fuels. So this is the final answer to this question. So what we have done here, we have discussed the points related to this question, we have discussed the basic concepts related to this question, and we have discussed some of the key answers to this question, and we have summarized these two things, and right when we have written our answer, and that's the way we should answer this question. So fellas, I hope that you have understood the question as well as the answer. So if you have any confusion regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment section. So that's the end of today's tutorial, and the tutorial was very lengthy, I know, but I have tried to keep it short because we need to discuss some of the concepts over here. That's why the video becomes pretty lengthy. So thanks for watching, stay awesome, and best of luck. Well, that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks a lot, it means a lot to me, fellas. Thanks for supporting me, fellas. I'm really glad that you have watched till the end and watching this thing right now. I can't believe that you have watched till this end and that you have come to this point. Thanks a lot, and I'm really appreciating for you, fellas. Well, is there any part of this lesson that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Please write something in the comment section. Okay, and I am always there to help you, fellas, because I make video for you only, fellas, because my videos are only dedicated to you, fellas, and I make only videos for you, fellas. Okay. So and also please give your feedback for this video, whether this video was helpful for you or not. Okay, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay, and tell me about this video tutorial, and it would be very helpful for me, and it is very important for me for the next video tutorial. How am I supposed to make next video tutorial? It relies on this feedback. So it is very important for me about the feedback. Okay. Well, fellas, here is the free courses only for you, fellas. You can click here to grab them. It's completely free for you, fellas, and I only make videos for you only, fellas. Okay, so it's completely free. only for you fellas. If you want fellas, you may become a part of our team by clicking this button to stay updated. Okay, so why not become a fellas? So by clicking this button, you will become our fellas and be the part of our team. Okay, we'll be making more video tutorials later on, and we will update regularly in our channel. We will update our channel regularly. Okay, so stay tuned and best of luck.